that's with orange fur and black stripes. What animal is that? It's a tiger. Guess the animal that has branched horns and is beautiful. What animal is that? It's a deer. Guess the animal that are big reptiles with a tough, scaly skin. They have long, strong jaws filled with sharp teeth. What animal is that? It's a crocodile. Guess the animal. I am the king of the jungle. Who am I? It's a lion. Guess the animal. I swing from tree to tree and love bananas. Who am I? It's a monkey. Guess the animal. I am a black and white bird, but I cannot fly. Who am I? I'm a penguin. Guess the animal. I am the tallest land animal and have a long neck. Who am I? It's a giraffe.